Hello. We're live with Fishing with Forrest. We are out here, completed the challenge. What is it, the Star Wars Fishing Pole Challenge, Jenny?
Only took 37 hours.
Only took me about probably 14 hours of fishing. Come out to Wolf Lake, smashed a 4-pounder. We got her done. We got her done. Yeah, forgot to record. You know what's wrong with it? Never push record. Oh yeah, big one.
Mom.
Oh yeah, come on, I need it.
Give me that, give me that. I can't do it.
No! Come on!
Okay, this will be right here.
Mother.
Is it the wind that's doing more than the fan?
Yeah, I don't know. That one?
Just fucking scoop him, Dom. Come on. Come on, just hurry up and scoop him.
Bring him over here.
Yeah! Oh, the little kid pole! Let's go! Oh! It took so long.
Eric, is that your TV?
Yeah, it wasn't live.
I'm recording.
Alright, I'm putting on the cheat code now.
Pliers.
Oh, you got the dogs out, babe.
Can't believe I just got a 3-pounder out of Wolf Lake. I know. Just got me a 3-pounder out of Wolf Lake. I couldn't even get that fish to surface.
We're gonna have to get up early tomorrow so we can watch Happy Gilmore before we go.
Oh, yeah.
No, we're supposed to watch it up there.
Are we?
On the first night? We aren't watching that.
I'm not good at watching.
You still want to sell the bow tie even after that fish?
Drinking, I don't really want. I can't. I'm best at like watching every day morning or the middle of the day. Don't try to use the force on that.
I did. Got one. Oh, damn, I hit a weed patch.
$4,000. For them to tell
So
me.
should I not get insured? I mean, I don't have insurance now.
Listen, I think it was like freaking 20 without insurance. It was a lot.
I give free colonoscopies.
Whole fucking shit.
I'm on the sliding fee program, so.
Like, I'm gonna trust you to give me a colonoscopy.
I'll be like, relax, I be a doctor.
I would never.
Got one? Let's go!
Oh, is it a small one?
You lost
Did he
him.
come off? He came off.
You might have hit a weed patch.
Yeah, I'm on the sliding fee program at Muskegon Family.
I got something.
I went there when
Yep.
Jordan and I were really young, and I got a bunch of
Here,
cavities.
mom.
I'm gonna boat flip him.
It cost me
Oh, he's a boat flipper!
now it costs me it's $70 a visit, and I just had a cavity filled last week, and now I got apparently 2 more, and then I gotta go get it cleaned.
Just a bass under its bed. It's eating my bait. Oh.
Where is there fishing, Eric?
Huh?
You found one? What, are you going fishing?
No.
Oh no.
Bring in the poles.
That's it. Oh my God, did you see that?
No.
Almost pulled the pole out of my hand, dude. You didn't see that?
No, I was looking over here.
Took the bait, that was a pike.
Dang.
Got another one. Oh, a nice one.
Net.
No, he's small. He's just fast. Oh, he's off. That's a strong fish. There's another one.
Net.
Oh, a big one.
Net.
Oh, no, he's small.
The same one. That was a big one.
Yeah, they're just fat. See it?
That actually looks like the same one you just caught.
No, he's bigger. No, he stabbed me with his gill. You got one? Oh.
Got one.
There you go.
Small.
Oh man.
Damn, his gill plate is so hard. Did I get the photo already?
I don't know.
That sounds bad.
Hey!
That fish was shot. Hey, don't hit the
Hey!
Oh my God, Jordan, that makes me want to throw up. Kelly, look at that.
I can't believe you're being such a white man.
Right.
Like,
You ain't got no color.
I can't please.
Oh.
There he is. Oh, lost him. Damn, there's a big one. I'm really trying to get you one, man. I had one on, but I think it was a bluegill.
Purple, pink, and who do you have do that? A roommate. With the Amazon gun. Very good.
So if you guys watch some YouTube videos on fishing, you can learn how to tie the knots. Learn how to...
I know. Wait,
Do you?
wait, sir. Hold on. Hey, what's your YouTube name?
Fishing with Forrest.
I watch you.
For real?
Yeah, I'm being dead ass. I watch you. I'm being dead ass.
I'm not famous.
I know. I'm being dead ass. Like I watch you.
I only have like 400 views on a video.
I know. But I still watch you.
You saw my video?
Yes. Okay, what was it called? Yo, where's the best fisherman? Let's make it to a big bass too.
It's so bad.
I got a kayak with a motor on it that I fish on out here.
Yeah, kayak with the motor.
Mm-hmm.
Kate will probably take him and be like, that was fucking delicious.
Okay, name one of his videos.
The White Lake Bass Fishing Challenge.
You guys do challenges too? Yeah.
Well, that's pretty much what I do. So that fishing pole right there is a Star Wars fishing pole. I've been trying to complete that challenge for like the last 30 hours fishing. I haven't been able to catch a fish on it because it's too short. You can't feel and bite it. But today I pulled that 4-pounder on it. It was insane. It was insane.
No helmet, nothing, dude. Imagine biting.
The thing about bass fishing is you never want to give the fish slack. You don't want to let them jump because when they jump, they throw your lure. I
snagged it.
I don't know how you did that. I do not know how you did that. Look at this. Look at this. It's impossible.
Like, why do I need
What?
I try to like.
Ow! Son of a gun! Ouch! Step on it so it don't go.
These guys are slaying the bluegill. It's crazy.